My name is Lynn Angelique Magallanes, a caregiver student of SASN Iloilo. Welcome to my return demo on how to laundry, manipulate aftercare using washing machine, and how to iron a polo.
Regular washing of clothes and beddings help to remove any bacteria, dirt, fleas, mites, and other irritants or infection. Washing of clothes and bedding can help reduce the incidence of infectious diseases such as diarrheal disease, respiratory infections, scabies, and other skin infections. Separate your laundry. Sorting your laundry into different piles based on fabric type and color. Make sure to pay extra attention to your more delicate items. You should wash them either by hand or on delicate cycle and in a mesh bag. Set the water temperature. Using the correct water setting in your washer can make a world of difference in your laundry. Hot water, for instance, sanitizes and kills germs better, but in some cases, it can shrink your clothes, fade your fabrics. For moderately dirty loads, dark colors, and a permanent pre-cycle, use warm water. Cold water is the gentlest way of washing your garments, and it also requires less energy, so you can save energy and protect the environment. Detergent and fabric softener. The amount of detergent needed varies by load size and washing machine type. So check the back of the detergent box and look for any labels on your washing machine to find out how much you should use, as too much laundry detergent might cause problems. Load the washing machine. This is the step where you dump your clothes into your washer. Make sure not to overcrowd your clothes, as overloading the machine may result into the clothes not being washed as they should be. Also, incorrect amounts can cause operational problems and damage. Turn on the washer. Just close the door and hit the start button. Some washing machines can indicate that the door isn't closed properly, while some can't. Always remember to check before starting to avoid accidents. After finishing the laundry, rinse dry the clothes. Regular cleaning of washing machine is an important part of knowing how to use washing machines. After all, your washing machine won't be able to do its job efficiently if it's not clean itself. Leave your washing machine door open after use to allow it to air out and help prevent mold and mildew from growing. Ironing not only removes wrinkles and shrinkage of the cloth material, but also enables them to look fresher than before. Ironing also handles the fabric in clothes to boost their quality and guarantee a longer lifespan. Moreover, cleaner and fresher looking clothes are intended to boost your self-confidence too. Step 1. Turn the shirt inside out. Step 2. Flatten the collar on the ironing board. Step 3. Iron back side of the collar. 4. Turn the shirt over and iron the front side of the collar. Step 5. Lay the sleeve on the ironing board and stretch the fabric. Step 6. Iron around the sleeve. Step 7. Insert the shirt into the ironing board. Step 8. Iron the shirt from top to bottom. Step 9. Turn the shirt to its right side and hang.